Today we've brought two of our XP Beta prototype test cars to Goodwood. But we've also brought Jensen and Lewis along to have a drive. It's their first exposure to our work. At McLaren we're very fortunate to be able to draw on a huge amount of Formula One expertise and technology, but also with Lewis and Jensen we've got two world champions helping with our test programme. It can't get better than that.
Let's do it. The sound of the engine's lovely. You get a lot of grip through here.
He's flat out, he's not supposed to drive 100%, but we don't know how to drive anything less.
I think the biggest problem with this car is you do forget sometimes it is a road car. And there's one corner out the back, which is the left, which you don't even need to push, and you can feel the grip of the car, and the shift's good. And if you get the power in a certain rev band, I think it's about 6 to 7, it's got this sound.
Yeah. It sounds pretty cool, and it's not hard, man.
First of all, you've got to remember, you've got to take your racing brain out, really, and put it to one side, and remember that it is a road car. So it's a nice car to drive, and it feels very quick as well.
The great thing with this car is the engine and also the downshifts. I feel really comfortable. Yeah, the turbo's kicking in. Very good. You can brake very late and deep. It's very responsive, you know. Change the direction.
I have been involved with this project from the beginning, and when you're passionate about it and then you see someone come along and drive it quite quickly, yeah, it's an interesting feeling, but you know, we've got to get used to it because we're going to sell a lot of these cars and have to get used to handing them over to owners and they can do what they want with them.
Sounds good.